substituting 4x that thing, that x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t square, I will write 4x plus 2. From 4x plus 2 I will take 2 common, and I will write this one as 2 into 2x plus 1. Okay, so then what we have, root over of, it was t square, root over of t square. Then dt was replaced by what? Dt was replaced by what? Dx was replaced by what? It was dt divided by 2x plus 1, right? Yes or no? I forgot actually. So it was dt divided by 2x plus 1. There was 2t also. There was 2t also. I'm sorry. So we have 2t in the numerator also. We had 2t dt divided by 2x plus 1. This one we had. So let us start with this one. So here we have 2. Now if I look at carefully, this 2x plus 1, this 2x plus 1 goes away. So what we have, integration of t, and here we have 2t dt. So this 2 taken out, we have 4 integration of t square dt. And integration of t square is what? T cube by 3. So we have 4 why am I writing integration again? So it will be t cube by 3 plus c. Right? Now our substitution was what? X square plus x plus 1 is equal to t square. This was our substitution. So t is equal to what? X square plus x plus 1 to the power 1 by 2. So t cube is what? X square. So t cube is what? X square plus x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, this is my t cube is equal to. So what we have in here is 4 by 3 x square plus x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. That's my answer of this problem. Now we have the next question as question number 10. Question number 10. So in question number 10, what do we see is integration of, so I is equal to what? So we have to do integration of 1 by x minus root x. So we have to integrate this one. Now how will I do that? How we are going to do this one? Now this is just basic integration. Now look at here. So here we have x and here we have root x, right? So there is something common between x and root x. That is what? That is root x is common. So what I will do is I will take root x common out. So I get root x root x minus 1 dx. So I will just, when I cannot see anything, any way to go, so what I will do, I will just do simple algebraic operation. And once we do some simple algebraic operations, then we can easily see what are the substitutions to be made. Now if I look at this carefully, what is the differentiation of root x? Differentiation of root x is what? It is 1 by 2 root x, right? So basically if I differentiate root x, I will get a root x in the denominator, right? Yes or no? So in the same way, if I differentiate root over of x minus 1, so the differentiation of root over of x minus 1 will be what? It will be 1 by 2 root x. It's the same thing. And you see here, there is a root x in the denominator. 1 by root x is there. And I don't care whether 2 is there or not, because 2 is a number. Who cares 2 is there? 2 is not that important. The most important thing is that the root x, 1 by root x is there. And once I see the derivative of root x minus 1 is there, so we can use the method of substitution. So I will write here, let root x minus 1 is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x, we get, what am I doing? With respect to x, we get, so root over of x minus 1, the derivative is 1 by 2 root x. We know the formula. And derivative of t is what? dt dx. Then we have to find dx. So therefore, dx is equal to 2 root x dt. Now let us put in I. So I will become what? Integration I 1 divided by root x. Now in place of root x minus 1, I will write what? T. And in place of dx, I will write what? 2 root x dt. chalo, root x out, this 2 will come out. So we have integration of dt by t, and that is what? 2 log t plus c. That's my answer. Am I clear? Actually, that's not my answer. We have to replace the t with root over x minus 1. Yes or no? Am I clear?
Very much.
Very much. Acha, question number 11. Question number 11, what we'll do is, it's the same thing. I will not completely solve question number 11. I will just tell you the substitution. So in question number 11, can anybody tell me what should I substitute in question number 11? What should I substitute in?
X plus 4.
X plus 4, that's right. I will just substitute x plus 4 is equal to t square. Whatever is inside the square root, I will put as t square. How hard is it to remember that thing? It's so easy. So I will substitute let x plus 4. Whenever I don't see any simple directions, I will go with the go with this solution, that is x plus 4 is equal to t square whenever I see a square root. So here what I get differentiating with respect to x. Acha, tell me this one, what should I substitute in here? What should I substitute in here? Tell me. What should I substitute in here? Look at this problem and tell me fast. Should I substitute 1 plus x, 1 minus x square is equal to t square? Should I substitute that? Yes or no? I told you that type will only, but there will be exceptions. You know, differentiation of sine inverse x is what? This thing, right? Differentiation of sine inverse x is what? 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. So there is no point in substituting 1 minus x square is equal to t square, because if I substitute sine inverse x is equal to t, directly the derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So there are exceptions of this square root. Okay, so you have to look into that. So differentiating with respect to x, what I get? Here the derivative is what? 1, and here it is what? 2t dt dx. This is what we have. So dx is equal to what? Therefore dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay, clear? So this is what we have. Now let us do I. Achha, let us write I in here. So therefore I is equal to integration of, let's write x in there. What's the harm? Divided by root over of x plus 4 is what? T square. I will write t square. And in place of dx, I will write 2t dt. Now tell me one thing. What about this x? This x is again creating a problem. So what I will do? I will flash.
T is equal to x plus 4.
Yes, I will write x is equal to t square minus 4. I will write x is equal to t square minus 4. So what I will get? So I will write t square minus 4, and here you see square root of t square is what? T only, right? So I will just cut this 2. Square root of t square is t only, so I will cut that 2. I hope you understood. And this 2 I will take it out and write dt like this. Okay, clear? I know. Yes. Yeah, let's separate them now. Let's separate. So we have 2 integration of t square dt and minus, so 8 integration of dt, because there is 4 in here and there is 2, so 2 4s are 8, that 8 is taken out, and the integration will become what? 2 t cube by 3 minus 8t plus c. So in place of t, what I will write? Now hope you will know. In place of t I will write t is what? X plus 4 is equal to t square. So t is what? X plus 4 to the power 1 by 2. This is our t, right? So our t cube will be what? X plus 4 to the power 3 by 2. So I will get x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 8 x plus 4 half plus c. That's my answer. Okay, clear? Acha, this one is done. Now question number 12. Question number 12. X cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 x to the power 5 dx. Tell me, what should I substitute in here? Think and tell me, what should I substitute in here?
X cube minus 1.
Yeah, that's right, but I think you have already solved, so there is no point. Okay, look at here carefully. So x cube minus 1, if I substitute, I think of what is differentiation of x cube minus 1. The differentiation of x cube minus 1 is 3x square. Okay, so forget about this 3. Forget about this 3. So basically, I have x square as the derivative of x cube. So this x square and x cube makes x to the power 5, right? So basically what I will do is, I will write this integration as x cube minus 1 2 to the power 1 by 3, and in place of x to the power 5 I will write x cube dot x square dx. I will write like this. Then I will substitute. Now I will substitute, let x cube minus 1 is equal to t cube. Can you tell me why I have taken as cube? Why have I taken as cube? Because here we have cube root. When we had square root, I have taken whatever is inside the square root as t square. Now since it's cube root, I have taken whatever inside the cube root as t cube. Okay, so by this way what happens is that the cube root goes away, like this way if I substitute. So now differentiating with respect to x, what do you get? 3x square is equal to, the differentiation of t cube is what? 3t square dt dx. So 3 gets cancelled. So dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to t square by x square dt. So this is what we have, our dx. So let us find I. So I is equal to what? I is equal to integration of x cube minus 1 is t cube. So in place of x cube minus 1 I will write t cube, and here we have 1 by 3. So you see the cube root goes away. Now x cube. So I have a problem, x cube. Achha, let's write down that x cube dot x square into, and dx is what? This one, t square by x square dt. So cut x square and x square. So I still have a problem, x cube. So what I will do with x cube? What will I do with x cube? Look at here. X cube minus 1 is t cube. So x cube is equal to what? T cube plus 1.
T cube plus 1.
Yes, very good. So let's put t cube plus 1 in place of x cube. So here 3 goes away. So we have t in here, and we have in here as t cube plus 1, and here we have t square dt. So we will write this one as t cube plus 1 dt. So let's multiply and write. So we have t to the power 6 plus t to the cube dt. This is what we have, right? Achha, we can directly separate. Forget it. We don't want to write like that. We'll directly separate and write. So t to the power 6 t to the power 6 dt plus integration of t to the power cube dt. This is what we have, right? Now what will be the answer? The answer will be what? That's not the answer. The answer will be, I'm writing it here. So t to the power 6 is what? It will give us t to the power 7 by 7 plus t to the power cube is what? T to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Now t to the power 7 is how much? T to the power 7 will be what? Look at here. Look at this one. X cube is t cube plus 1, right? X cube is what? T cube plus 1. So x is what? Mistake. We should not be starting from there. We should be starting from here. Yes. T cube is what? X cube minus 1. T is what? X cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. Right? Yes or no? T is x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. So t to the power 7 will be what? X cube minus 1 2 to the power 7 by 3 by 4 plus x cube minus 1 2 to the power 4 by 3 by 4 plus c. Okay, am I clear? Acha, wait a second. Question number 12 is done. Acha, question number 13 will be homework. Question number 13, fine, 13, yeah. So, acha, let's do question number 14. We have got 4 minutes left. I think we'll finish up 14. Then the rest we'll do next class.
Sir,
Yes. What happened?
the back answer is not matching.
Let it not match. Who cares about the back answer? What's the back answer? What's the back answer?
1 by 7. 1 by 7.
Oh, sorry. I made a mistake.
cube minus
Yes,
1.
obviously it will be 1 by 7, man. It will be on 1 by 7. Why won't it be 1 by 7? I made a mistake in there. How can it be 4? Because here it's 7, right? You have to check the back answer, but you cannot check the second step, huh? That I made a mistake. It happens. Now is it okay? The back answer, huh? I should not be saying.
Let me have a look, sir.
You look okay.
Yeah.
You look very well. Now
Yeah.
look for 1 hour. The back answer.
Yeah.
Acha, let's do this one. Now tell me, what should I substitute in here? Integration of 1 by x log x to the power m dx. What should I substitute in here? So easy. This one is so easy.
Log x.
Yes, log x. Because differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. So I will substitute log x. So let's do it. So let log x is equal to t. So differentiation of log x is what? Acha, tomorrow you guys have holiday, right?
Sir, I'm busy.
I know. I'm just asking when I'm saying holiday. So what do you mean? I will have coaching or what? I'm just asking. Tomorrow you have holiday, right? Huh? So we have what?
Yes, sir.
Difference of log x is 1 by x, and this one. So we will write. Yes. Yeah. Someone was. What happened? I couldn't hear you. Acha, so dx is equal to what? This thing. So we will substitute this one and this one. So let's do it. So therefore, I is equal to integration of 1 divided by x. Hey, what are you doing? T to the power m, and in place of dx I will write. Just because of that sound I was making mistake. This x goes up. How can it can go down? It will be x dt. That's why I am telling you not to make that sound, because my mind is getting distracted. This x cross multiply this, it will be x dt, right? So I get x dt in here. Again you are making the sound. So x goes out. So what we have, integration of dt divided by t to the power m. Now t to the power m, I can write it as integration of t to the power minus m dt, and t to the power minus m, integration of that thing will become t to the power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus c. Okay, and what is t? T is nothing but, let us show the answer in here. What is t? T is nothing but log x, and I don't want to write minus m in front. I will write 1 in front. So I will write 1 minus m divided by 1 minus m plus c. That's it. Okay, am I clear?
Wow. Wonderful.
Wonderful. Okay, done. So that's it for today. So tomorrow,
Sir,
yes.
I can see your beautiful face.
Okay, that's it for today then. Let's go. Bye bye. Take care.
Where?
And about tomorrow, what should we?
Sir, don't go.
What should we do about tomorrow? Acha,
Tomorrow never comes.
Should we have holiday or should we have class? I think we should have class tomorrow. I will see what can I
Sir,
do.
I'll charge you 500 rupees.
Okay, bye bye then. Take care.
Bye bye, sir.
Sanchithan, you wait.